Man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bradman17 coming at y'all with a quick little video today, man. Gonna be talking about, can you daily drive the Dodge Charger RT? And keep a long story short, bro. Short, quick answer, man. Yes, you can daily drive the Dodge Charger RT. There's people out here daily driving Hellcats. Now, would I daily drive a Hellcat? Probably not. Or at least, like right now, I'm at this point in my life, 27. Probably not the best thing to daily drive a Hellcat. Maybe once I hit like 35, 40, you know, maybe we can evaluate it then. But as of right now, not gonna be daily driving a Hellcat. Do have the RT. I do daily drive the RT. I had a Toyota Camry hybrid, so I'm already coming from a good daily driver in the past. I mean, I know people's biggest concern is probably gas, so that's what we started today. So I filled up my car like 2 days ago. Whenever I filled it up, it said I had like 276 miles, something like that. So like with the RT, you do get more than, or you should be getting more than 300 miles per gallon. Or not miles per gallon, but every time you fill up, you should have at least like 300 miles worth of range. On your little odometer, it might say like 270, 280, 260, something like that. Depending on how you drive though, it should go up. You should see that going up periodically. You should see it fluctuating a little bit. It shouldn't be killing you too much on the gas, because last time I filled up, it said I had like 276 miles till empty or whatever worth of range, close to 300. I went on like a 30, or I really went on like a 60-mile trip last night, round trip to a different city. And I mean, you can see we was at like 276, now we had 245. And really, it was at like 276 after I had already drove it around a little bit. So that's more than a full tank. But the gas is not too horrible, especially if you're driving it to work, stuff like that. If your commute to work is probably like, if it's a fairly long drive, 15, 20 minutes plus. So if you're driving 30, 40 minutes one way, I don't know, this may not be the car for you to daily drive, especially when you consider the mileage. But if you got a short commute, 5-10 minute commute, maybe less than that, by all means, yeah, go for it. Try to daily drive the RT. And it's really like, I mean, you could definitely daily drive the RT. The gas mileage is not that much worse than like a V6. As far as I'm concerned, V6s don't even get like crazy gas mileage, so RT, you know, shouldn't be an issue. But I mean, the car, bro, you can't go wrong with a Dodge Charger, bro. Like, there's so many things you could do with this car. If you into firearms, bro, I would compare this car here to a Glock. Like, if you are into firearms, you know, a Glock, you know, you could, you know, there's so much stuff you could do to it, so much aftermarket support. It's pretty much the same for the Dodge Charger, bro. Especially when you get into the V8, especially when you get into the RT model specifically. Scats are cool, you can't do that many mods to them, but the RT, it's always something you could do to the RT. And I'm dropping this video right here, and then once I head back home, I'm really on my way to pick up some coffee. Once I head back home, I'm gonna drop a video. I'm gonna record a video talking about my tent, how I got my tent done, how much they charged me, stuff like that. But daily driving the RT, I've been daily driving this since like early September, mid-September. Shoot, at this point it's been well over 6 months, coming up on a year, and it's a phenomenal car. Would I want another daily driver other than this right here? Heck no, I wouldn't. Not no damn Nissan, no Maxima, no Altima, no damn Thotima. I mean, with this here, it was either like I was gonna get this car or I was gonna get a truck, which I really wasn't interested in a truck, so that really wasn't even an option. Or it was like I was just gonna keep on whipping the Toyota Camry. But I always wanted a vehicle that was black, you know, the color that I wanted my first car to be. And I mean, I love the RT. Been a fan of Dodge Chargers for a fat little minute now, you know. And then once I got to the point where I could comfortably, you know, do what I had to do, did what I had to do. Got the RT. But I ain't really had no issues with this car. No maintenance issues, nothing like that. It's a phenomenal car. Now, with that being said, there are people that do have maintenance issues, things like that. Whenever you're in the market for a Dodge Charger RT, you do have to know what to look out for. If you want to know what to specifically look out for, go look at some of my older videos where I'm talking about pretty much like the daily cost to, I mean, not the daily cost, but like the monthly cost, the monthly expense on like Scat Packs, Hellcats, things like that. Go check out those videos. Let's see what we got up here. I'm gonna pause this shit real quick.
What can I get for you?
Could I get a medium caramel iced coffee?
Anything else?
And then could I get a sausage McMuffin?
Anything else?
And then could I get a sausage biscuit with cheese?
Anything else?
That'll be it. Thank you. But yeah, should still be recording. Check real quick. Yeah, we still live. We live, baby. Y'all comment down below, tell me if y'all fucking with this camera angle here. I worked real hard to get this for you. I had to throw in the shiesty, had to pull the shiesty down. Y'all see how I'm doing this? I had to pull the camera down. I'm hoping it show up good on YouTube. It should. I feel like it's gonna show up good. It's hard to get this. I still ain't mastered it yet, but you know, we get in there. Let's see what they talking about up here. Bruh. Yes. Thank you. She like, why the hell this nigga pulling up with a damn iPhone strapped to his head? They got my something. But nah, bro, it's like, it's so many, like, you go look at them older videos. Thank you. Thank you. You too. But nah, like I was saying, go look at my older videos. Pretty much gonna show you exactly, you know, what you need to do, how to do it. And I mean, yeah. That right there, that might be some of the best McDonald's coffee I done ever had, bro. I'm not even lying to you. I told them I wanted caramel, but I think that might be like vanilla latte or some shit. I might be, bro. I ain't mean to cut you off like that, my guy. But yeah, man, the RT, so much you could do in this car. Phenomenal car. I love this car. Let's listen to this bitch. The fuck? They got the homeboys cutting the grass and shit. Big ass 18 wheelers and shit. Fat ass potholes and shit. Up in traffic, ducking potholes. God damn, this shit bad. Slow down which way the ops go. These chicken Roscoe. But nah, I'm gonna bang this left right here and get on back on my way. But nah, can you, bro, yes, you could daily drive the RT. If you watching this video, you watch my other videos, you think about getting an RT, bro, go ahead and do it. Unless your ass buy a lemon, you should be straight, bro. You really shouldn't run into no issues with your RT. As soon as I start having some maintenance issues, you already know I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on, how much I'm spending. I got an oil change coming up. I'm at 54,097. I gotta get that at 55 too. So like another 1,000 miles, so I got to get me another oil change. But this car is fun, bro. It's a fun car to drive. A fun car to drive. It looks good. You get a lot of compliments. It's just a good car. But yo, yes, you could daily drive it. That's really it for this video.